So after you have your stands where you want them to be, the next thing we work on is the crossbar. Here we have this little tab that you line up with the hole on the other end right here. And then all you have to do is press down, and then you'll hear that click and you know it's good to go. And then you can bring it out to the desired length, like yay. And we'll start with our left side here. Unscrew this cap here. And remember, when you're placing the crossbar down on the stand, you want to put the larger hole down, facing down over. And then the smaller hole is just enough for this bolt to come through. And then you squeeze the cap on like so. And then let's do the other side. And place it down. And boom, just like that.